Hi guys, today I'm going to fight some build about. No. See, this is my boat right here. So let's just go. Don't forget my jetpack. Wow. So if you don't know what build a boat is, what, yes. Let me respawn real quick. What do you mean challenge? Best boulder challenge? Join. Okay. Let's just... Oh. Go. No. So cooked, bro. Which has the most hit points was just... I'm not... Oh, I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving. Whoa, the boat. How does this guy have spaces? I would have. Okay, let's go. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Hey. What? This is a god. Oh. Let's just spawn another cobweb. No. Boat. That. New car, new day. You missed. This. Let's then build a boat. Alright guys, so this is my first time using my voice in games, so oh, I don't really want to say, but just saying. Oh, now this tornado. The reason why I talked about it because I'm sick, but actually not. I was just joking. I'm just tired. It's Friday. I don't want to do a cat sweep. I don't just gonna play build a boat till I get sleepy. Yeah, this is supposed to be a plow. Yeah, I don't know what the time to be, so I guess this high bump is just, it's a car now. It looks like a literal car, bro. If you see it, yeah, it looks like a car, but with motors and stuff. What? No. I didn't remember this. You go away. Okay, next, my most hated level, bro. This is the most hated level. I mostly die on this one because these crocodiles keep biting my propellers and I can't drive. This game should probably be build anything but a whoa. Go, just go. Okay, I see you guys at the end. Okay guys, I want to join a new server real quick. Okay, I'm back. Don't worry, I got... And the reason why it's called The Walk, because it has a lot of stuff. This is the engine. This really looks like a car to me. If we remove the chairs and all this stuff, it will be a car. It will be shaped like a car. Let's go. Hopefully this doesn't. Oh, am I going backwards? Oh, I am going backwards. With two propellers, or motors, they're pretty fast. I put some extra protection on that because the alligators keep or walks keep, you know, braking, so I can't control the car or boat. You want to say it? What we call it? It's probably more easier. Oh. It's fine. It's just wood blocks. I'm getting through this actually. Speed. I need speed. My back shell is starting to decay. I don't know why, but there's decided to do that. Oh, there's the place with the lightning. I remember there's a side, like a game area here. Oh, I lost my chair. I lost. Let's just activate. This is the game room. Oh no. What do you mean I have no jetpack? Did I forgot my jetpack? Wait guys, I think I might be stuck here. Oh, I died. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.